What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got another killer river fishing video for y'all today. I did most of my work with the spinning rod, y'all. Topwater bite, I definitely caught some topwater fish. I caught some pretty decent ones, but nothing like the size I caught in my last video. Surprisingly, that water's still a little bit cold. It was like 46 degrees in the morning. So they haven't quite clicked on the topwater yet, but man, that's why you got to get good with the spinning rod, y'all. I'm going to show y'all some underwater footage of this new lure I've been using. I've been kind of keeping my distance from this bait because it looks funky, but when I threw it in the water on a Texas rig, I was kind of blown away by the action, and I wanted to show y'all just how freaking amazing this bait is in the water. So I'm going to go ahead and show y'all that footage real quick. Maybe do a little voiceover on it, then after that, we're going to hop right into the video. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's take a look at the Bronco Bug by Crush City. Kind of been on a little bit of a Crush City kick lately, throwing a lot of their baits. As you can see, those big appendages, it almost acts as a jointed bait. I mean, look, those appendages are like trying to hit the head of the bait. I had no idea this thing had this much action. It has a lot of flip. All I'm doing here is just little light twitches of the rod tip, and as you can see, those claws are almost kind of buoyant too. Really just does a lot of the work for you, man, but just couldn't be more impressed with this bait, y'all. Alright, I'm gonna give y'all a little bit of slow-mo here, just so you can really appreciate how crazy the action is on this thing. Even the little legs are moving like crazy, man. The little legs on the side of the body are going nuts too. I mean, this thing is gonna absolutely murder. Alright, I think we get the picture. Let's go ahead and hop into the video now. Well, finally broke the ice. Gosh. Man, that fish hammered it, you guys. Woo-wee. That's what I'm talking about. Man, she destroyed it. I've been kind of grinding for a bite. I had one real early this morning, kind of grab the live target frog and just pull it under. Didn't really eat it. That one absolutely hammered it. Awesome, man. Great way to start it off, y'all. Whew. Gobbled up that Crush City, y'all. Little tiny one though. Oh my God, you guys. God, I just missed a giant. I think she's still on it. Oh my God. I think that's a big one. Yeah. Oh man, she smoked it. She smoked that big bite swim bait, y'all. Hammered it. That's a good one. Yeah, it's a really, damn, she's tugging. I mean, only so much I can do. Come here, fish. Boom, baby. Nice 3-pounder, y'all. Just choked that big bite swim bait, man. That is awesome. You know, they don't even make this swim bait anymore, but it's one of the best swim baits I've ever freaking used. And I mean, after this one, this is like my last one. I'll just never get to throw it again. It's unfortunate. Had her hooked really good, y'all. It's a nice one. Hopefully I can stick a few more here. It's been a little bit slow for me. A little bit slow. I've missed some good bites, but I like the way that one hit the swim bait. She hammered it. Jeez. What on earth? That was outrageous. Not a big fish, but holy that was outrageous. Man, these feisty little guads, man, there's something else. Decent little guy, nothing crazy. Little 2-pounder. Oh man, that's a good one. Man, that I got bit like, I don't know how many times right there. I got bit several times right there. Probably multiple fish there. Got pretty clear water right now, y'all, so that's why I'm kind of leaning towards finesse. It's a good fish. That's a solid one. Nice. Just throwing that Crush City Bronco bug, you guys. The action on this thing on finesse gear is freaking, it's actually insane how good this thing looks. Solid. A little bit of shade right here. Well, I got bit. Don't think it was a big one though. There she is. It might be big. That might be big. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. On the Bronco bug. Okay, she's not huge. She's not huge. Man, she hit the frog, you guys. Followed in there with the Bronco bug. One twitch, boom. Textbook, man, textbook. Come here, baby. Nice, beauty. Baby. Man, I think I missed another fish that was bigger than this one, y'all. I don't think this was the same fish. That first hit looked bigger to me, but I don't know. What do I know? Oh man, that fish chased it. Gotcha, little guy. I don't know. Oh man. Is that a quad or a spot? That's big, whatever it is. Stop head shaking. Stop. Man, I think that's a big old spotted bass, y'all. Gorgeous spot. Just got bit. Gosh, bass is tugging. Oh man, I didn't really get a good hook set on her. Man, that was a good fish. I'm gonna run out of freaking Bronco bugs, man. I'm gonna have to throw something else on, I guess. I don't know. She stripped it off. Try to make this last as long as I can here. The hell did she strip that off? Man, that's crazy. little guy. Nothing big on this Bronco bug so far, but they are hitting it though. Biggin. Yes. Boom, baby. Look at that beauty. Not giant, but it's a nice one though, y'all. She choked it. Just fell out basically. I don't know how I had her hooked, but I did. Alright guys, actually not that big, but man, they fight freaking hard out here. It's hard to tell how big they are. About a 3-pounder. Beautiful looking fish. There she goes. Man, that fish is a little beat up. Get you back in the water, baby. That might be big. That might be big. Can't tell, can't tell, can't tell. Nah, it's not. Whew. She's tugging. Wait a second. I don't think that's a largemouth. Yeah. Just a beautiful spotted bass, man. Damn, that thing was strong. That fish was so strong. Holy crap. Oh my god, you guys, there she is. That's the oh my god, that fish was so big. That's the one that was chasing it. Oh my gosh, that was a big fish. Oh my god, monster. How did she come off? How did that fish come off, dude? That fish was so big. I just had a monster follow it, and then that one crushed it. You gotta be freaking kidding me right now, dude. go. Oh my gosh. That's a big one. That's a big one. Yes, that's a tank. Let's go, baby. Biggest one of the day, about a 3.5, high 3. Watch this hook just wasn't even hooked. Man, that is a gorgeous one, you guys. Just a freaking gorgeous one. See ya.